Hello, I'm going to solve some heart of algebra questions from non-calculated part of the test. The first question is easy, so let's start very quickly. It says x minus 1 over 3 equals k, where k equals 3, so it's automatically 3. So therefore, x minus 1 equals 9 and x equals 10. Correct answer is D. The second question is 3. On Saturday afternoon, Armand sent M text messages each hour. Whenever you see each, be more careful because they must be connected with multiplication. So M text messages for 5 hours, so there must be 5M. Tyrone sent P text messages each hour for 4 hours, so that must be 4P. So which of the following represents total number of messages? They must be added up, so it's C. Okay, good. Whenever you see each, careful. All right, next. What's the next question for part of algebra? Question 4. Katie is a repair technician for a phone company. Each week she receives a batch of phones that need repairs. The number of phones that she has left to fix at the end of each day can be estimated with this equation, where P is the number of phones left. So therefore it's decreasing by 23 each day. So therefore this 108 is the initial number. So actually this is the question already. So what is the meaning of 108? 108. Katie starts each week with 108 phones to fix. Correct answer. Next question is question 6. Let's try to find out question 6. Question 6 is here. Again, a linear equation. A pediatrician uses the model above to estimate the height of a boy in inches in terms of the boy's age A, in years between the ages 2 and 5. Based on the model, what is the estimated increase in inches of a boy's height each year? Each year, so we're just looking for a coefficient then. So height is age, A is years. Okay, so each year means, so there must be 3 for each year. Okay, so the correct answer is A. Next question is question 9. Let's look at that one. Where's question 9? It's here. Simultaneous equation solving. So first of all, the same variable is not are not underneath each other. So therefore, first rearrange the equation so same variables are underneath each other. So I'm just writing minus x plus 2y equals negative 19. Okay, so therefore I see x values underneath each other, y variable is underneath each other. So we're just going to solve it. You can multiply the second equation by 2 to make the coefficients equal of y, or you can multiply the second equation by 3 to make the coefficient of x is minus 3. So both works. Let's multiply it by 3 here. Okay. So then the equations become, and the second equation is minus 3x plus 6y equals minus 57. If you add these up, these x's are gone, and 4 plus 6 is 10y equals negative 80. So y equals negative 80 over 10 is negative 8. Okay. After finding a thing, just look at the options so you can eliminate some choices here. Okay. The only choice which has minus 8 here is B. So therefore, I don't need to solve further for x. Okay. I already got the correct answer by looking only the y value. Next question is 11 from Heart of Algebra. 11 is here. Okay, it's a little bit tricky. So we have B here in terms of x and C here in terms of x. and B and C represent the price per pound in dollars of beef and chicken, respectively, X weeks after July 1st during last summer. What was the price per pound of beef? So this is the question. When it was equal to the price per pound of chicken. So when B equals C. So let's just equate them, okay? This is given. So therefore 235 plus 0.25 x equals 175 plus 0.40 x, okay? So just rearrange the equation to collect all the x's one side and the constants to the other. 235 minus 175 equals 0.40 x minus 0.25 x. This part becomes 0.15 x and this part becomes 0.60. So therefore x equals 0.60 over 0.15, which is 4. So where x equals 4, what is b? I'm substituting 4 here. This whole thing becomes 1. So therefore the correct answer is 335. The next question is 12. 12 is here. A line in xy plane passes through the origin. If a line passes through the origin, the equation is y equals m times x, where m is the slope. The slope is already given, so therefore the equation of the line is 1 over 7x, which means y values on this line is simply 1/7 of x values. So just check. So y value is not 1/7 of the x value. In other words, you can also say x values is 7 multiple of y values. So x is not 7 times y, x is not 7 times y. 14 is 2 times 7, so therefore this is the correct answer. The next question is 18, and which is the last question of non-calculated part of the test from Heart of Algebra. 18, let's find it. Where is it? Oh, it's open-ended, yes. So the last 5 questions open-ended now. 18. So according to the system of equations above, what is the value of x? So you're just going to find out the x value. Just try to eliminate y values. In order to eliminate y values, I'm just making their coefficients equal. In order to make the coefficients equal, I need to multiply the first equation by 2. So therefore it becomes 2x plus 2y equals -18. I'm multiplying everything by 2 in the first equation. And the second equation is just kept as it is. Okay, so I have the same y values here, so I can just subtract from one the other. So 2x minus x equals x, and 2y minus 2y is gone. Minus 18, be careful here, minus 25. So therefore it becomes minus 18 plus 25, which is 7. This is the correct answer. Have a nice day.